Wow, it is quite an achievement to underperform by more than 30% in half a year. Every month, -6%, -6%, -6%. And the worst thing about this is that the crisis with the ARB token hasn't even started yet. -33% versus Ethereum is just the beginning. I mean, look at this total value locked chart. Since beginning of the year, the total value locked on the Arbitrum chain is going down. The only application that keeps it somewhat afloat is GMX. GMX still experiences slight growth. The perp futures exchange that allows you to bet on rising and falling prices with leverage on various altcoins. The tool some traders use that don't want to use centralized exchanges, right? They don't want to use futures on Binance or on KuCoin. But here's the thing, if you just zoom out a little bit, you see that the assets on GMX also rather tend to decline. Look at this. This is the weekly deployed contracts on Arbitrum versus Optimism. And in the last 3 months, Optimism is really stealing the show. And so who's really wondering that Arbitrum relative to Optimism is declining in the last weeks? This is now the Arbitrum token measured in Optimism. So the Arbitrum price divided by the Optimism price. There are things to like about Arbitrum. Not many projects start off and then rise to number 4 in terms of total value locked. Arbitrum's total value locked is now more than double of Polygon's. Arbitrum at number 4, Polygon at number 5, roughly the same amount of apps. Arbitrum only with 1/3 of users of Polygon, but at the same time the total value locked is more than double. That's genuinely impressive given how young Arbitrum is. But there's one problem.
One major problem.
And if you're holding Arbitrum or you're considering to buy the ARB token, you should be aware of this. In March of next year, the team and early investors will get access to a huge amount of tokens. The Arbitrum circulating supply will more than double in the next 12 months. Show me one crypto project that can survive a more than doubling of its circulating supply during a bear market. Tell me how all of those additional tokens hitting the market are not going to generate further underperformance versus Ethereum. Momentum is already against Arbitrum. Optimism is keeping up. The additional unlock will be the final nail in the coffin. Don't lose your money with bad crypto investments. Instead, join our Telegram. Link is down below.